I have found this on Reddit. This person want to review this Shopify store. So I clicked and found a lot of mistake he made that you shouldn't. So this is the homepage and it already feels messy to me. First of all, by looking at the hero section, I don't get any idea what this store sells. Next, they had some banner images right here and I don't know what purpose these serve. These are even not eye-catching. So there is no clear message, no structure and nothing guide you forward buying. Now they add products, almost all of them are not loading properly. So you scroll, you get confused and you leave. Now here is another store. The header is clean. The first thing you see is what the brand sells. There is a logical flow from hero banners to product highlights to social proof. Everything feels intentional. It feels like this store wants you to stay. That difference is the layout. So how you should design your homepage layout? Start with a focused hero section. First, your homepage should immediately answer one question. What does this store sell? Let me show you. Here you can easily understand what they are selling. It's luggage. And here you can see a short line explaining what it is. Also, you can see a trust badge here in the corner which helps build credibility. So that means no generic images or vague headlines. Use a high quality banner image that directly shows the product in use with a short line explaining what it is and why it matters. Also, you can include one clear call to action button. It should take users to your main collection or bestsellers. Don't give them too many options, keep it simple. Like in this store, they add discount. When I click on it, this pops up. So you can get discount. That's a good thing because everybody loves discount. Alright, so you got the first section right. Now what? Follow with value proposition or benefits. Right after the hero, don't jump straight to products. Instead, explain why your brand exists. What makes you different? What problems are you solving? This store can be a good example. Like after the hero banner, they added testimonials, which is a very clever action. Like here you can see a lot of recognized brands shout out to them and they gave a brief about themselves. Like what problem are they solving? You can get the idea from here. If your products are eco-friendly or handmade or solve a very specific problem, say it clearly here. This section builds trust before asking for a purchase. Now the next, feature your best-selling products. Like this store, first they highlight product features, so when shoppers will come here, they get a simple and short introduction of the product that they are about to buy. They already know the features, they will understand easily what they are getting. After that, if I scroll down a bit, they add two best products that might be bestseller, though it did not mentioned in here. They added two, and I will suggest showcase a handful of bestsellers. Ideally 3 to 6. Use clean product cards with clear pricing, short names and a quick add to cart button. You should avoid clutter, don't mix new arrivals, sales items and bundles all in one row. Prioritize what sells and what represent your brand well. Number 4. Add social proof and reviews. In 2025, build trust with online shoppers happens in seconds. And if your homepage lacks real, authentic proof, that's a red flag. That's why adding social proof is no longer optional, it's essential. Start with customer reviews. Highlight your top-rated products and showcase real feedback, don't just rely on star ratings. You should also include written reviews that talk about the product experience, delivery speed, and customer service. Go even further by including UGC or user-generated content. Photos and videos from real customers using your product. UGC builds authenticity and reliability. If your store has ever been featured in the media or you have received industry awards or certifications, this is the place to show it off. Trust badges like eco-friendly certifications can also help reassure first-time visitors. In short, let your existing customers do the selling for you. Number 5. Integrate seamless navigation and smart menus. Too many stores bury their products behind confusing menus. In a high-converting homepage, navigation should be minimal but strategic. Here is my suggestion, include only a few main categories in the top menu. Use sticky headers for better usability. And on mobile, make sure the experience is smooth, with clearly spaced button and quick access to collections. Number 6. Don't forget your brand story. Even if it's short, having a brand story on your homepage helps with connection. This can be a small section with a photo of the founder, a behind-the-scene image, or a one-paragraph explanation of why this store exists. Make it human, keep it honest. Number 7. Finish with a strong footer. The footer isn't just for legal links. Use it wisely. Add navigation, trust badges, a short about us, maybe a newsletter sign up, and links to your social media. A well-designed footer helps new user get oriented and gives returning user fast access. Now creating all of this from scratch takes time. And even if you use a theme, most default layouts won't guide visitors in this way. That's where our team at Ecomclips comes in. We help you plan homepage flows based on your product type, industry trends, and customer behavior in 2025. We don't just design, we build layouts that are tested for conversions. We analyze what your store is missing, fix weak touch points, and deliver a homepage that's not just good looking, but high performing. So if you are serious about growing your Shopify store this year, don't settle for a homepage that just works. You need one that sells. Email us at info@ecomclips.com and we'll get back to you ASAP. So that's it. Now you know how to design a Shopify homepage that converts. Thanks for watching. Make your homepage count.